Okay, so this time around, I will now introduce to you on how to add names. We're going to add name first. So for example, if you're going to add names, so for example, Cruz Santos. So as you can see, that Cruz, what we call this one, Cruz Joey. So Cruz is in between Cesar and Quimi. So therefore, we need to copy this name, Control C, then arrow down, then enter. Then we're going to type Cruz, comma, Joey, C. No? So that is how you're going to add names. So if you're going to delete names also, so this time, we're going to delete this Michael Batukan. So to delete that, just simply press delete, then copy the names of the adjacent cell, then enter. Control C, then enter, then tap, then delete the duplicate name in here. Okay, so see to it that the names are, what we call this one, arranged alphabetically by surname. Okay, so to edit also names, so for example, shall we say Virgil? So this is wrong spelling, so it should be VIRGIL. So that's how you're going to edit names in here. So you're just going to edit names, to add, delete, and edit names in data entry set. Okay, that's all. Thank you.